Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and for today's video we're gonna be doing a online course video. As you can see over here, we have so it's my first time to do online, and it's weird and it's not that bad actually. You're safe at home and in the comfort of your So we're having a break now, and we're gonna continue after 30 minutes. So see you. I'm trying to log in, but I'm not a techie person, so yeah. They actually gave us the things that we need to log in. I cannot! Oh my goodness, I need help! He's so helpful. Alright, looking good now. I'm trying to listen to his lessons and instructions. I feel a bit bored. I haven't had my breakfast because it's early. Then I put down because I realized I need to take note. Starting to take note, but actually I felt like I need coffee. It's been years since I study. It's all new to me again. I'm so blessed to have this opportunity and have respect to all teachers. I cannot have the bread, so I took an oatmeal drink with me instead. Once in a while, he's asking questions because I can see that some of yawning in front of the camera. I can't blame them. It's because it's early for most of us. I felt like, can we have a break time soon? Char! Teacher! Toilet break! I need to see greens in the table for inspiration. Hi guys, welcome back, and yes, we are now on lunch break. Everyone is out! So now I know how they feel when they say online class and stay at home. Eating time, see you later. I'll do the hang of the laundry first since I'm home. And yes, we are back after lunch break. 3 more chapters to go. We will see them again. I'll go live. See you again later. And yes, after this discussion, we are just waiting now for the exam. I don't know why am I whispering. Maybe I thought that they were gonna be hearing us. Basically, we were gonna be called one by one in a different classroom and ask questions. I'm a bit nervous because it's been a while I didn't do this, and now I'm gonna have to go for exam. After exam! Oh my gosh! I got scared a bit. I don't know why I encountered that technical problem. I'm supposed to be a middle one, and then eventually I become the last one because of my technical problem. I'm so happy that they're so helpful and they have technical support that is ready to assist. Did a team viewer in my laptop. Ka-stress. Well, now it's good. Let's wait for the result, and not bad. Home-based learning is not bad. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you for watching. Here in Chinfilvlogs, we create videos on our experiences, thoughts, and ideas. Contents about lifestyle, food vlogs, how-to videos, and culture. Because life is beautiful and worth sharing.